Hello, and welcome to our segment on the best foods for breakfast. Breakfast is often referred to as the most important meal of the day, and for good reason. It provides us with the energy we need to kickstart our day and keep us going until lunchtime. So, what are the best foods to eat for breakfast? Let's take a look. Oatmeal is a great choice for breakfast. It's high in fiber, which will keep you feeling full for longer. And it's also a great source of protein and complex carbohydrates. Fruit is another great option. It's packed with vitamins and minerals, and it's a great way to add some natural sweetness to your breakfast. Try to include a variety of different fruits to get the most benefits. Eggs are a popular breakfast food for good reason. They're a great source of protein and can be cooked in many different ways, so you won't get bored. They're also versatile and can be paired with other foods like whole grain toast or avocado. Smoothies are a quick and easy breakfast option that can be made with a variety of different fruits and vegetables. They're also a great way to get in some extra protein, whether you use Greek yogurt or a plant-based protein powder. Finally, whole grain toast with peanut butter is another great breakfast option. Peanut butter is a great source of healthy fats and protein, while whole grain toast provides complex carbohydrates to keep you feeling full and energized. So, whether you prefer oatmeal, fruit, eggs, smoothies, or whole grain toast with peanut butter, there are plenty of great breakfast options to choose from. By starting your day with a nutritious meal, you'll be setting yourself up for success and giving yourself the energy you need to tackle